Hello! Today I want to share with you how did I get to this little tiny camera and why do I think it's so fun and so worth it to have one. Let me tell you a little story. If you are a friend of the channel, you know that I'm a professional photographer. And being so, I carry my whole life so many cameras and lenses and equipment and tripods, too many things. I fell in love with photography when I was 15. Yeah, long time ago. And we had to carry so many things. When I was 23 years old, I sold my car and bought a ticket to Australia. And I was so tired of carrying all these cameras and lenses that I didn't bring any camera with me. Is that crazy? Yeah, it is. I got to Australia, bought a bicycle, and bought, you know those cameras, those disposable cameras? Yes, I had one of those that could go underwater. So I have almost no pictures from that beautiful trip. But since then, cameras evolve a lot. When you're riding a bike, you need a camera that's quick and fast and follow you. You know, it's like if you want to do something, it's easy to do it. So I was so happy when GoPro launched this one. That's the section. It's a very tiny camera, kind of light. Actually, I used to think that was very light, but after I seen the GO2, not that light. And you just press one button and record it, and that's it. It was good. I really enjoyed this camera. It's waterproof. I like to surf with it. It's very nice. But suddenly, Insta360 launched this one. Yes, that's the GO2 Insta360. If you're a friend of the channel, you know already. But what I want to show you, it's why do I like this one. I just want to share with you why do I think that this little camera, it's fabulous. And the things that I like most on it against this old GoPro section. And by the way, they don't make sections anymore. GoPro stopped making this little tiny camera. I don't know why, you know. I like it very much. But there are little things that the Insta GO2 is a lot better. First is the size. This camera films almost 120. So what that means, it's so cool. Like if you want to film it and want to put in an Instagram, you're probably gonna use standing up. But if you want to put in YouTube, you're gonna use horizontal. And you can do in the same footage, you can do horizontal or you can do vertical. This is one of the things that impressed me most. That's the original footage, see? See the hands here? It's too low. So you just come here and put a little bit up. Okay, much better, right? Let's say that instead of going horizontal, I want to go vertical. I just put it like this. New footage. In this case, I have to go back. See this part here? So I do have to go back for the original. Okay, done. Then I said, okay, let's get closer. And you get closer. You can do all this on post. And so when you export it, you get these settings on your export file. Is that cool? I like it. the very cool thing about it is because since it's like almost 180, if you tilted the camera, the horizon stays lined up. Is that cool? Check it out. Thing that I didn't like much about this one was because we use 16:9, you know, but the GO2 was like here, you know, you couldn't see these two parts here. Funny, isn't it? So I always have to adjust it and it takes forever. Oh, and a great thing for bicycle riders is the stabilization. Yes, because if you do like this, it stays like this. And this is very welcome. It's terrible. I remember that sometimes I used to do videos for you and I was so ashamed that, you know, the videos were like this. I'm still ashamed about audio. I'm still learning about audio. Audio is very hard for me. Sometimes I get it right, but lots of time I do a lot of mistakes about audio. Video also, but audio is worst. Another thing that I think is so cool is there's so many options. You can do start lapse, interval, night shot, photo mode, video, pro video. That's the one that we always use. So pro settings are the best. You can use in horizontal, you can use in vertical, and you can move a little bit. You know, sometimes you, like on this shot that I need the hand, see, I can move a little bit. Yeah, so it's cool. I always use in pro mode. And there's also some other ones. Let me show you. There's time lapse. There is time shift, HRD, and slow motion. Okay, so it's a very fun camera. It's so cute, so small, so easy to use. But I hope that Insta360 on our next Go 3, probably, we will have an SD card. Because the upload takes a long time and it drains battery. Drains the battery from the case and drains the battery from your phone or your tablet. If you're doing a computer, it's better. It's by far better than my Section 4. Yes, it sure is. Quality and stabilization, horizontal level, being so small and magnetic, it can put in so many little places that it's amazing. I'm gonna do a video just with the little things that I learned in those couple months and some tips for you to use this little, it's not a toy, it's a marvelous camera, but it's a fun camera. And so you can have fun with it. Okay, hope you like it. And if you did like it, please thumbs up. And you know, if you want to be notified about the videos, about the quick tips, there are a lot of quick tips that I always post it, you know, when I remember something or something happened. Please click the little bell. Yes, and subscribe. Subscribe. I hope you like it. I really like it. So tiny, but it's so powerful, you know. It's very, very powerful for its size. It's amazing. Love it.